Hello friends. Today we draw ant. Let's begin by drawing ant's head. This will be our starting point. Next, draw a small oval shape attached to the head for the ant's thorax, then attach one more oval shape, and then add a large oval shape for the abdomen. Next, draw a circle for eye of ant. Then draw two more lines in it. Draw two curved lines extending from the top of the head. Antennae can vary in length, so feel free to make them as long or short as you'd like. Draw small circles at the ends of the antenna for the antennae's tips. Next, we'll draw the legs. Ants have 6 legs, so let's draw it one by one. Now that we have the basic structure and details in place, let's refine our drawing. Now we fill it with colors.